everyone. Exciting news aside from taking the survey, which I did earlier today. ChatGPT has released something called Tasks to Plus users and those of us who are paying Pro and so forth. So what are tasks? Let's click on it. This is where it schedules things. I'm going to get a summary of AI stories daily at 8 a.m. I've created one here. So let's say I were to go into ChatGPT. Here's where you would select it, I believe. GPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks is what I would put in there. And then let's say, what kind of task do I want? Maybe every day at 3 p.m., remind me to get up and dance. Weekdays, and it's Central Time. So tomorrow I should get an alert. And then I think it's important, how will I be notified? Okay. Every weekday at 5 p.m. Central Time, curate a list of the day's top news stories and how they may tie into Lower Ignite for potential blog posts. Awesome. I've not seen what these alerts come out looking like. Since this is new to so many of us, could you list out use cases for this functionality? I also have Apple Intelligence and Siri, and I'm able to set up things on my calendar, and it doesn't appear this integrates with my calendar. So help me understand how and why I might use it. Is it because it can complete tasks for me and not just remind me? Okay, this feature is designed to assist you in managing and executing tasks at specific times, going beyond simple reminders. All right, some use cases: ongoing monitoring and notifications, a daily review of new developments in your field, followed by receiving curated insights. Instead of merely reminding you about industry trends, it can gather relevant articles, summarize them, and then suggest how to apply them in your work. You might, if you're looking for a job, you might schedule a weekly search for new job openings in your area, which could be delivered to you directly. You could also have it check whether a website or API you rely on is up and running at a certain time each morning, then notify you if it's down so you can take immediate action. And here's the differentiator paragraph. Unlike calendar-based reminders from Apple's calendar on Siri, which generally prompt you to take action, this system can proactively handle the legwork. This is fascinating. So the value comes from its ability to do the research, compile the data, or monitor conditions for you, saving you time and effort. All right, I'm curious, how do you think this could be valuable to you in your daily life? And I'm looking forward to sharing what those results and reminders turn out like. So back here now, I go to my tasks. As you can see now, I have the ability to edit tasks. I can pause or delete them as well. So there you have it. Here are my scheduled tasks so far. I look forward to learning alongside you with Lower Ignite.